Hey folks, today we're going to be unboxing the TP-Link AV1000 Powerline adapter. Well, really Powerline adapters, since you do get two in the box. And the AV1000 means that these are able to provide up to 1 gigabit of bandwidth. So if you have a 1 gigabit connection, then these will allow you to get the most out of that. Although, of course, that depends on your network setup and also how far away these are from one another, since they will have to travel through the electrical wiring, at least the signal will. But let's go ahead and get these unboxed, see what we're dealing with. Okay, so first off, I live in the UK. As such, the plug on mine is the UK style plug. However, if you live, for example, in the US, then you will get the US plug. The actual specs of these are otherwise identical. So let's go ahead now, get into the box itself. We have the quick start guide, and then we have the two Powerline adapters themselves. And also in the package, this is a nice inclusion, we have two LAN cables. And these are also going to be helpful. One in particular is going to be needed to connect the first of these Powerline adapters to an actual internet source, such as your router or access point. And then the other can be used on the second Powerline adapter if you want to cable this into a network device as well, such as a switch, for example, as in a network switch, or even a single device such as a smart TV or games console. So popping those down, let's take a look now at the actual Powerline adapters themselves. Taking one out of the bag here. Plug this in to a standard power outlet, okay, in your home or business or wherever it may be. And then you are able to connect it to, as I say, an internet source such as your router. And then the second one can be plugged in somewhere else as long as it's on the same electrical circuit, and you will be able to transfer your network data through the electrical circuit using these adapters. So they are really, really helpful. Now, one thing you'll notice is that we also have a power socket on the front. This is a pass-through power socket. It's optional, but it's nice to have it. This means you are not using, you're not losing a power socket by plugging this in, okay, into a wall outlet. You can still plug any device then into this. Now, one thing that TP-Link say is that these are not going to be ideal over extension sockets or over surge protectors. So you will want to make sure that you do plug them in directly into a wall outlet. So just take the other one out of the bag here. You can see they are both identical. It doesn't matter which you use first and which you use second in terms of extending your network. The setup is really simple. Just plug them in. That's all there is to it. Now, they do only include a single LAN socket each, but the great thing is these aren't even that expensive and you can get more of them, okay? You don't have to be limited to two of these over your home network, as long as, again, you are connecting Powerline adapters to the same electrical circuit, then you can get a number of these TP-Link branded adapters and they are going to work, even if they are a different model number. So there we have the main adapters, a couple of LAN cables, and also the instruction guide. Simple package, easy to use, but hopefully it's going to help you out with your networking needs. Thank you for watching.